Well, the candy problem is something that I admit I stole from one of my high school teachers. It's a problem that, it's a difficult problem that I give the students at the end of the week that we've been working on. They work in groups. I pick the groups at random. And the kids, at the end of the day, I give them a problem. If they win a king-size candy bar of their choosing. They all see the end line as, oh, let me win a bar of candy, and they get excited about that. But my goal about this whole project is they get to work in groups that they normally wouldn't work with. They're working with kids that I don't know if they would actually talk to them, or so it takes them out of kind of their comfort zone, and it's fun for me to kind of sit back and watch these groups have a common goal, work, and to try to achieve that goal. And every year, it's a lot of fun and kind of seeing the banter that goes back and forth. It gets kids riled up and in a good way, and I really enjoy kind of what it all comes down to.
All right, so just so you know, in a couple minutes, I'm gonna pick groups by random draw. I have a random app on my iPad. I have your names listed all here. You're gonna be in groups of 3 or 4. Once all the groups are picked, you're gonna go to the board. I'm gonna announce a problem to you. You will write the problem on the board. You will work on the problem together with your group. You will try to solve the problem on the board. Once you get an answer, you circle it, and then your group sits down. The first group to sit down, all right, is technically considered group 1. We let all the groups try to finish the problem. Once every group is done, I will go to group 1. If group 1 has the right answer, they will win the candy problem, and they will win a king-size candy bar of their choosing, which I will bring in tomorrow for the quiz. So we have that. So we'll do that for the quiz. So each one in your group will get a candy bar of their choosing. It's not something where I get a king-size candy bar and you guys share it amongst the 3 of you. Okay. And you are allowed to eat it during the quiz. You're allowed to point and laugh at your classmates, say I'm a winner, you're a loser, whatever you want to say. Yeah, whatever you want to say is fine. Whatever you want to say is fine. If group 1 doesn't get it right, then I go to group 2, and so on and so on. If some groups tie, meaning like there's 2 groups that have the right answer, it's not a coin toss.
Not anymore.
No, it's
the
not.
final
Never.
question.
The group that finishes first wins the candy problem. So it's all about speed and accuracy. So obviously accuracy is the most important thing, but there is a little speed element to it as well. If nobody gets the candy problem, technically means I won, because I don't have to spend and get candy for you guys. So what I have done, and you can ask groups 1, 2, 3, 4 this, if you think I'm bluffing. If nobody gets it right, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring in candy for myself, and I will eat it in front of you tomorrow. And if you think I wouldn't do that, if you think I wouldn't do that, if you think I wouldn't, I mean, especially you can go ask somebody later today. You can ask the veterans.
He's not.
No, I'm not. Clearly you don't know me as well as you should. Yes, I will eat candy in front of you. And I like how Martin's got a little, it's like, would I really do that? Martin, I will, trust me. I will. And I do chew it loudly, yes, I do. I'm obnoxious with it. I agree. I am. Something wrong with that. Yes. Alright, this is true. Alright, so now, 4 groups. You're allowed to go anywhere you want on the board. I would have, make sure you go with your groups. I have new markers up here as well, too. Yes, there should be, listen, the way it should work, you should have 2 groups up here, 1 group in the back, whiteboard, and then 1 group on the chalkboard, depending on how you want to do it. Here's the question. Negative 34x plus 41y equals negative 3906. And remember, you have to solve for x and solve for y. So the first equation is 131x. So 131x plus 89y equals, and it's 3357 9, and that's it. A equals pi r squared. So just so you know, I'm going to give you the area. You have to tell me what the radius is. Okay, so you're not working with circumference, so you don't have to write the circumference formula down. So A equals, I'm going to give you the number. A equals 68.
Wait, 1 sec.
778.
Wait, what?
6.56, and the label is centimeters squared. So you can write this formula down. I equals PRT.
Oh no. Yes.
I equals, all right, so this is what I equals. 1, 3, 1, 2, 7, 2, 8, 3, 2, 0.06.
Are you kidding?
And that label is money.
Money.
Well, because it's interest, so it's money. Second equation is 42x. So positive 42x minus 38y
What? Wait.
equals 4218. You may begin.
No, because like the time 60 did this time. Remember we put them like basically
There are new ones up
together
there.
and then divided by
Sid,
that.
do you grab them? You should have multiplied, just so you know, if you did this correctly. You should have did 0.37 times 47 first. And you should have got 17.39
Yeah.
because it's 2 decimal spots with that. Then you take that number, 17.39, and you divide it by the interest. The interest, which is 8131, 131. Sorry, 131, 127. Oh, sorry, 131,272. 832.06 divided by 17.39. You should have got an answer. First number is 7. Second number is 5. Third number is 4. The fourth number, however, is an 8. X equals negative 132. Y equals negative 183. Kendra was getting closer because I saw her like guessing and checking. And you were over, you tried 245. So instead, this group was somewhat close because they divided by 2, which I understand why you would do that because the square root you think, oh, maybe divided by 2. The square root, if you remember, what I told you with square roots is that you choose a number, multiply it by itself to get that answer. So the correct answer is 148. Group 2 has an answer of 109.52.
That's right.
That's kind of awkward because I said it was a whole number. Group 3 has the same answer as Group 1, however, Group 3 labeled
I told you
their
they were
work.
right.
So they have an answer of 21904 centimeters. Group 3,
They're right. They're right.
you are
Disqualified.
You are
Right.
9 times 5 ends in a 5, so it's 8695, not 8690. So that would have been a 5 right there that you would have subtracted. Would have got the 7 there, so that's why you were off by the multiplication. Group 1 that sat down, they have x
They got it
equals
right.
57, y equals negative 48. Group 1.
You are right.
You are correct.
Hey!
So congratulations, you are the first ones. Just so you know, listen real quickly. This group over here, grab work on the board groups, erase it, and get out of my class.